In a world where cryptocurrencies are changing the financial landscape, understanding the complexities of a crypto exchange can be challenging for the average person. With technical jargon, complicated user interfaces, and the nuances of crypto trading, it's not easy for a layman to navigate this new digital frontier. But how do we bridge this gap and make crypto accessible to everyone? Introducing BitNasdaq, the crypto exchange that revolutionizes accessibility through the power of AI technology and blockchain. With the BNQ utility token at BitNasdaq's back, become a part of the BNQ economy, and go big or go home. Users can buy BNQ on the BitNasdaq platform, with instant buy and convert features. Not only this, once you buy your BNQs, it can be staked for a high APY on the BitNasdaq Financial. With this, BitNasdaq also has exciting features for earning big. Features like the Rewards Hub, the financial staking, the referral program, and the most exciting affiliate program, where users can earn up to 50% in commissions. BitNasdaq urges users to become affiliate agents to earn high on their monetization. Our motto is, learn by doing. Explore crypto trading hands-on with demo accounts for P2P, spot, margin, and staking. Your security is our priority. Enjoy extra security features like 2FA verification and self-anomaly detection for P2P trading. Join BitNasdaq today and unleash the potential of cryptocurrency trading with ease and security. BitNasdaq, your gateway to the world of crypto. Visit our website and download the app now. BitNasdaq, inclusive intelligence, where AI meets blockchain.